Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to find the sum of square numbers in a list. So to do that, we can use list comprehension and we will need to use the sum function. Right. So to do that, perhaps what we can do is for I square, right? So square uh, for I in numbers. Right. That's all we need to do basically. Yep, that should work just fine, right? Yes. So let's just submit it. Of course, you know this operator squares it, and this is just a list iteration. All right. So let's check the solution. Should look something similar. Yep, pretty much similar over here. Right, yeah. So yeah, that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.